Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Shwar Srivastav and welcome back to Shwar's Code. See, I got a new one. Let's try some magic. Expelliarmus. Expecto Patronum. Wingardium Leviosa. You still have to revise for Marathi exam. Come. Oh. I don't like Marathi. It's so hard for me. Oh, I have an idea. If I get other languages and Marathi, I can use the translator. Yes, let's do it. Translate. No internet? Now how should I do? Tomorrow is my exam. Oh, I just forgot that even though there is no internet, I can code and make a translator. Seems difficult. Actually, it's easy. Let's start the journey. So let's code it. After so much time, it's already done. At last. Let's try it. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, it's working. It's looking a bit pretty. Nice. Let's move further and see, can it really translate? Okay, this is English and output language. So, hello, my name is Shaurya. Marathi for M. It's looking like a good one, means like a normal, the Google one. So let's now see. Please work. Wait, so yes, let me choose language once again because it got disconnected. Yeah. Translate. Yes! Namaskar, माझे नाव शौर्य आहे. Means hello, my name is Shaurya. Come to study. Yes, I can do it tomorrow. Let me read the textbook. So there is an exercise. What do you call a tiger in Marathi? Tricky. Let's use the app. Tiger. Walk. Thank you, app. Here. Now let me try to use this app for, what about Hindi? Yeah, it is a language of India. So let me type, how are you? In Hindi it is, क्या हाल है? Oh, nice. Ding dong, ding dong. Wait a minute, let me check who is there. Oh my god, it's Albus Dumbledore from Hogwarts. I don't know why he came here. Come on, come on. Oh, hello, Shaurya. How are you? Come in the camera, it's recording going on. Oh, hello. Shaurya, I had heard that you made a translator app. I want to see it because I also want something to be calculated. And if it's nice, you will be selected for Hogwarts. Oh, really? It's so good. Wait, I'll show you. Take the sheet, please. Yeah. Okay, so this is the app. This is just the code, and the app is like this. Okay, so I want you to type. You can type like on here. Okay, so if I type hello Harry Potter Potter, and then I want it in what about Bengali? It's a language of India, right? Yeah, it is. So Bengali. So this, oh wow, it's translating. But what is it written? It is written about that. It is translated in Bengali, and it is written Hello Harry Potter in Bengali. Oh, nice. Let me try Hindi because I can read it a bit. Hindi. Interesting. Hello, Harry Potter. It's so interesting. So, what about the selection for Hogwarts? You are not selected. I know you are a bit disappointed. But you are invited, and I order you to come. It's a request, not an order. You can come. I will surely come. Thank you for meeting me. Bye. And remember, whatever I teach you, you will make an app on that. Bye, everybody. Oh my God! Did you just see that? I got selected for Hogwarts because I made this app. Okay, the app is good, but I'm thinking that what if I change this to Hindi and then isn't it there? Oh yeah, fortunately it is there, so I can search in Google for the font, or I can take this only, Hello Harry Potter, and now take English and add this and translate. Oh my God, it is working reverse also. Good. Then it is well. So hope you like the app today, and have a nice day, and keep watching my channel. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe it if you haven't. And we will meet soon again. So goodbye, have a nice day, be well. It's Shaurya from Shaurya's Code. Bye.